Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you are a Facebook user from nearly the start of Facebook, you might have remembered that in the past there used to be something called POKES. So poke was simply a way to kind of give a nudge to someone and say, "Hey, I'm here." Basically, it's the reason they invented those on Facebook was to help motivate more social interaction. So they were hoping that if you poke someone, rather than being annoyed, they would actually interact with you some more. And pokes kind of went away in a sense. We don't see it on Facebook when we go there, but they were never really removed. It's just that at some point it was really hidden far within the menus, and finding a way to send pokes was difficult. Well, apparently, Facebook wants to reactivate all of this and will be adding a more visible poke button to your interaction, to every friends that you have, and so on. And the reason for this is, once again, they want to try to make people interact a little more than they do actually right now. So I don't know. I remember seeing pokes and just wondering, what the hell do you want? And I guess that's for a lot of people what it was. But, and it never, in my case, I don't think it never really made my social interactions more interesting. But if you get a poke in the next few days, weeks, or months, well, that's because the famous poke will be reactivated in a way that is going to be easy to see, and you'll be able to use it to maybe try to interact with someone. So I don't know if it's a good thing, but apparently Meta wants to do this. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.